Hello and welcome to Nikolai's Genetics Lessons, and today's video is going to help you to prepare for your laboratory class, to prepare stock solutions, and in order to solve this type of problems, we have to memorize only one formula. So in this formula, which represent ratio or two ratios, which we call proportion, we have a part in numerator divided by the whole in denominator, and here we have percent divided by 100%. So this is all we need in order to solve this type of problems. So let's consider the first question. What is the 25% of 160? I know that most of you can give an answer in just a second, but still let's use this formula, because other question might be not as simple as this one, which you would have in your laboratory class or on your exam. So what we know from our question? We know percent, we know whole, and we have to find part. So let's write our own ratio. The first ratio would be x for part, whole would be 160, and this would equal to 25% over 100%. Now here is the second step, very important, you have to memorize it. Now we have to find, first of all, we have 4 corners here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to find 2 known corners which we can cross multiply. For example, we cannot cross multiply these 2 corners because here is unknown number, but we can cross multiply these 2 numbers. So this is going to be the first step, to multiply, cross multiply known numbers, and then we have to divide by another third known number. So again, cross multiply 2 known numbers and divide by the third known number. So let's do it. So 160 multiplied by 25 and divide by 100. So we are going to get 40 here. So this is going to be an answer for the first question. So x equal 40. So we can put x here. And let's find an answer for the second question. We have dollars here, but of course on your exam or in your laboratory class you would have chemicals. So what is it, $12 as percent of $80? So again, let's pay attention to our formula here. So what is $12 as percent of $80? So we know part, we know whole. So let's use in our fraction part to whole. So it's going to be 12 to 80, or 12 divided by 80, which would equal to percent divided by 100%. So if in our first example we had unknown here, which were a part, this time our unknown is here, which is percent. So again, let's find 4 corners and cross multiply known corners, which mean we have to cross multiply these 2 numbers, and then we have to divide by the third known number. So let's do it. 12 multiplied by 100 and divided by 80. So we are going to have 1200 divided by 80, which would give us 15. And because the question is about percent, we are going to have 15% as an answer. So this is an answer for the second question. And of course we can write this as a fraction. So x would equal to 12 multiplied by 100 and divided by 80. And we're still going to get our 15%. And once again, if the first question was about a part, finding a part, we put x here. The second question was about finding a percent, so we put our x here. I hope this video would help you in your laboratory class or on your exam. This is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates and see you in the next video. Goodbye.